I'm Dick Simonson, and this is
Bob Beveridge.
and we're with the Bellarine Land Care Group, and we have developed a system of fumigation of rabbits for their control.
Prerequisite for doing the job is all the safety gear that you've got to wear, because those pills, if I can call them that, are very, very poisonous. You've got to use a face mask like this, rubber gloves like that, and glasses. That's all the gear that you've got to have on. We'll show you how to do it, and it's quite a simple operation.
First of all, what you've got to do is to make sure that you know where all the openings are of a warren, otherwise the gas is wasted. To do that, we've developed a smoking kit. It is a means of taking one of these smoking nuggets here, and it goes into a small holder which is lit by a small lighter which goes down the rabbit hole, makes a lot of smoke, and then we blow with a blower, we blow the smoke down the rabbit hole, and you can see the smoke go out there, all the openings, and the openings are marked with one of these markers.
Then we move in and fumigate the burrows using phosphine fumigation tablets. To buy these, we have to have an ACUP licence, Agricultural Chemical Users Certificate. In order to get the pills down the burrow, put the poly pipe down first, make sure that it's gone round a few corners if you can feel it. Stick some paper down the burrow as well. It prevents the rabbits, if they get the urge, to dig out, and it also prevents any vapours coming back out of the burrow. We drop 1 or 2 tablets down the burrow and push it through with another piece of pipe. After we've done that, we've got to dig the dirt back into the burrow and end up with a fairly flat top on it, which discourages other rabbits from digging their friends out.
Simple, inexpensive, light, and people use it, and that's the important thing.